Here it's going up, and they're going to lift the boat up with the forklift. Oh, it's in the air now. Now we're back at Faye's boatyard. He's picking up the house so that he can get over the heads of the cars that are parked over there. See how it's much higher now. It's still going up. He had to do that after he went by the telephone wires though. Steve is something else, this forklift operator. The house is kind of swinging around there a little bit. He backs into the garage there so he can get the house up. Wow, I'm right under the boat practically. I'm really quite right under the boat here. The boat is just hanging in the air. That's pretty cool. And he's got the forklift right at the edge. And now he's sliding it right down into the water. And there it is. It's going in.
It's another day at Faye's boatyard.
Indeed, indeed, indeed.
Just another day.
And there it is. It still floats. It still floats.
It's